In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN to upload videos on YouTube, and I'll also explain whether it's allowed. If you want a VPN that is fast, secure, and reliable for YouTube, I recommend NordVPN. It offers thousands of servers around the world, strong privacy features, and unlimited bandwidth. You'll find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. So, is it allowed to upload to YouTube using a VPN? Yes, it is. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, hides your real IP address and makes it look like you're browsing from a different location. YouTube does not block users just for using a VPN, so you can watch videos, upload content, like, comment, and use your channel normally. Why would someone use a VPN when uploading? Mostly for privacy and access. A VPN prevents YouTube and your internet provider from seeing your real location. It also helps if you're in a region where YouTube is blocked or restricted. By connecting to a server in a country where YouTube works, you can upload your content as if you were there. Using NordVPN to upload is simple. First, download and install the NordVPN app on your PC or phone, log in, and choose a server in the country you want. Once connected, open YouTube and sign in to your channel. Go to the upload page, choose your file, add your title and description, and start the upload. With NordVPN's unlimited bandwidth, you can upload large videos without worrying about the connection dropping. Using a VPN can also help avoid repeated verification prompts when you travel. Sometimes YouTube flags logins from unfamiliar locations, but if you connect to the same country every time through NordVPN, your login appears more consistent. Just remember, a VPN only hides your location. It doesn't protect you if you violate YouTube's policies. As long as your content follows the rules, you'll be fine. NordVPN also includes features like obfuscated servers that make VPN traffic appear normal and can help reduce unnecessary security checks. Yes, uploading to YouTube with a VPN is allowed, and it's a great way to protect your privacy and bypass regional restrictions. If you want the fastest speeds and the most secure experience, check the link in the description and try NordVPN today.